Welcome back. In the previous video, we have investigated individual measures to lower the carbon emissions from buildings. In this video, we will take a closer look into some low-carbon integrated building concepts. There's a wide range of concepts. In this video, I will present passive buildings, carbon-neutral buildings, and circular buildings. Let's start with the concept of passive buildings. The main idea of this concept is that energy demand for cooling and heating is reduced as much as possible. In this way, the energy delivered to the site can be reduced significantly. To achieve this, a passive building needs to have a high level of insulation, high efficiency glazing, and a ventilation system that recovers the heat. According to international standards for passive homes, this should result in a building with an annual final energy consumption for heating and cooling below 15 kilowatt-hours per square meter, and no fossil fuels being delivered to the site, and accordingly no on-site CO2 emissions from the chimney. In fact, such a house should be able to create a good indoor comfort with almost no heating or cooling system. The heat produced by appliances, lighting, and human activities is almost often enough. From the cooling point of view, the house should be designed in such a way that no cooling system is needed. Using cold air at night or air cooled down in pipes in the ground should be enough to maintain comfortable temperatures. The second criterion is that the primary energy demand for heating, ventilation, and use of electrical equipment should stay below 60 kilowatt-hours per square meter, according again to the international standard. To reach this number, the energy demand should be reduced as much as possible, and part of the delivered electricity should be from renewable sources or should be produced on-site with renewable sources. Please note that this still can result in off-site or Scope 2 CO2 emissions when delivered electricity is produced with fossil fuels. The second concept we look into are carbon-neutral buildings. These are buildings that only use renewables. This implies no on-site or off-site CO2 emissions. These buildings are also sometimes referred to as zero-carbon buildings or net-zero carbon buildings. A concept that goes even a step further is a circular building. In this case, not only the energy usage is considered, but a life cycle approach is applied. This means that production of materials, transportation, and processing at the end of the lifetime of the building is also considered. Examples of circular buildings on this site can be fully disassembled, all materials are reusable, and/or old materials has been used in a new design. With this video, we come to the end of this first week on decarbonization of buildings. Thank you for watching.